Hello, I'm Jen from Starshell Communications, and I'm here today with the lead magnet series. This one is all about on what tech do you need when you're delivering your lead magnet. So this will obviously depend on the different sorts of lead magnet that you choose. If you're looking at giving people an ebook or a checklist or a free download, you can do that all within your own email marketing software. So there's quite a few different ones out there. MailerLite is one of the best free ones that you can use. It is very simple to set up. You just need to set up the automations so that people can download it straight away. If it is a particularly large ebook, you may have to host it on something like Google Drive or Dropbox with a link for them to collect it. That's the easiest and the most simple way for them to access the information. If you're looking at things like webinars and courses, then you're going to need a course software. There are absolutely loads of them out there which will host this for you. It's best to have a look around and pick your best one. Some of the ones that are always mentioned are Thrivecart, Thinkerific, Peasy Funnels, as well as a couple of other ones. If you're looking at running a boot camp or a challenge, there are a lot of different programs out there that do this. Most people tend to host them on Facebook or Instagram just because everybody seems to be on there. However, there is a bit of a backlash now to Facebook groups, as I'm sure, like me, you are already in hundreds and don't really want to join another one. There are quite a few new systems coming out there. You can run them on a Discord server, or you can run them in programs like Circle. It all depends on how you want your community to engage with you. You can run challenges on Instagram, although it is harder, as well as using the software within Instagram to do it. It can be a bit hard to build a sense of community. So that's a brief look into the different sorts of tech that you can use in your business to deliver your lead magnets. If you've got any questions, my contact details are below, or if you could like and subscribe, I'd be really grateful. Thanks very much.